Hey, listen, man, I got a big announcement, you heard. If this is your very first time trading live with us, if this is your very first live trading session, if this is your very first session back after being gone for a while, hey, I got a message, you heard. Big announcement.
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
All right, man, let's get straight to it. Let's not let another second go by, you heard. Let's get straight into it, you know what I'm saying? Rodney with the news, man. What we got, brother? Rodney say we got red folder 830, 1231, one red 830. Okay, dude. I think I like this 1 minute order block right here. But we're coming from this 5 minute order block. And this 5 minute didn't invert. It was showing it, but the candle didn't close. So I think I'm gonna go like low risk. Oh yeah, 240 ain't bad. And we'll try to take out these lows. But I needed to come up and touch this order block so we can get activated. I'll come down just a little bit. So my limit is gonna be at 43.24.4. Let's see if we get activated. The way it already wicked up and reacting, I think it used these FEGs, these IFVGs as but let's see if we get filled, dude. See if we get filled, dude. All right, we're filled. Let's see if this 5 minute order block is gonna hold and go higher, or is the lower time frame gonna reject and then push down back to this order block and then blow through it. And it can honestly go way lower. Like the biggest draw on liquidity is down here. So we'll put our orange line down here. But I'm cool with the 1 to 4 $1,000 trade, risking 250 at these lows. So let's just see what happens, dude. Let's just kind of see what happens, bro. When we hit this low right here, when we clear out this full low right here, could even be right here. Hit this low, we can go to break even, make it risk free. I'll just put 2 alerts there. Let's see what happens. 1 alert at the wick, 1 alert at the very bottom. And then if this 5 minute candle, current candle, close, well shit, the last candle already closed out. So yeah, I think we should go down. 5 minute just inverted, yep. 1 minute inverted up here. 1 minute inverted again right here. Then they pull back to the inversion. Use it as what, old old support, right? Turned into boom, resistance. Same thing as an order block, same thing as an IFVG pullback. Now this drive will push down this 5 minute to invert it. Well, it already did. Now we should get strong moves down and honestly violate this order block. Because if it was gonna go up, it would have blew through this order block to keep going up higher. You did, squid. You dig, squid. You dig, squid. All right, we're into this order block now officially, like actual candle now. This inversion kind of disappeared for now. It's still closed under this gap though. So let's just see. Stop loss is at 250. If we go past this order block, then it's not ready to go down right now. But we can still come out of this order block down. So let's just see, you know? That's all we can do, man, is just see. That's all we can do, man, is just see, broski. We can just see, you know, just see what happens. Now, when this starts moving down with speed, I think this is a little gap right here. So it'll give another IFVG. That one close, and then that's where the speed will come. That's usually how it happens. How do I make sure I'm only risking 5 micros? It's right here. So right click, turn on settings, go to trading, turn on your buy sell buttons. Then you'll have these buttons right here, then you can edit it. Got it? Then when you edit it, that's when you click sell or buy, or your limit or your stop will be whatever you choose. All right, we got a candle close down here. So let's see if we just bleed down. Technically, this is a little order block. So hopefully we hold this level and go down. If we pop back up past this wick, of course, we're going to hit stop. But if we hold right here, we're smooth selling down. See how the FVG now popped back up because this candle didn't close above it. So long as this candle stays up under here, we should be smooth selling. So that's kind of why I said if we get back above this wick, it's dead. Stop loss is probably going to get hit. So let's see. I'm looking for an immediate flip right now. Boner candle damn near out of this area. And let's just see what happens, dude. That's all we can do, man. Just see what happens, dude. Let's just like see what happens, dude. All we can do is just see what happens, dude. That's all we can do is see what happens, dude. That's all we can do is just see what happens, dude. See what happens, dude. Hey, yo. All that we can do. Damn, stop about to hit, bro. Stop hit, broski. Not yet. It closed like 7 of my 10. Alright, I think we're out. Want 2 more left. No more left. So yeah, the 5-minute order block held, which means this is gonna violate. So yeah. So if price wants to continue up off of this 5-minute order block, this is the next 1-minute order block. We are in this 1-minute order block at the 10-op. So maybe it'll reject out of this one, come down into this one, possibly back up, and then violate this guy to make new highs after respecting this 5-minute order block. Alright, bet. So if I'm thinking short, bro, we're in a downtrend. We're coming off of this 15-minute order block once, down into this IFEG 15-minute order block twice. So honestly, I wouldn't take this for a long. I would be looking for like a mango for it to come out. For it to come down. It's like, where's the draw on liquidity? Where are they going? They're going down here? Or are they going up here? We're about to invert this 5-minute FEG. in 2 minutes if this candle closes outside of this green gap. So we could be going for this highs. So it can kind of be something like this. So I would need price to come down and retouch this FEG. Because if I just kind of buy it with this candle up high like this, I've seen it all the time, always pull back. So that'll just put you in heat. So like if we enter here, that'll put us in fucking $400, $500 drawdown, you know? Versus just waiting for the retest of the FEG. Alright, boom. 5 minutes just engulfed. Not engulfed, but inverted the IFVG. It's probably just going to pop up. So I'll probably buy if we get a pullback all the way down here, which will inline with the BAP, which will inline breaking retest of the first IFVG on the 5-minute chart, stop loss up under the low. We're targeting a 1 to 1.5. Or another entry model would be the pullback, have a nice deep red pullback with gaps, and then they invert those gaps. Boom, candles close, and then they pop back up. So I'm kind of either waiting for one of those 2 or 3 things. 1 minute, give us a nice couple red candles with gaps. We invert the gaps, go higher. Or this one just blindly pulls back, then I'll enter at this level. And then when we get in, hope to see some gaps get inverted to go higher. But the strategy on the IFEGs is candles close outside the gap, you buy it, stop loss right under that candle, and then you take out the liquidity above. Target 1, target 2, target 3. $100K in blues, I'll be spending this shit. So y'all see how this kind of turned into a mango? Right, you got your grab here, you got the order block here at the top, failed order block, buy it, stop loss under the swing low, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 are the arm. I just said it before you even asked me. That's the mango. IFVGs are not the mango. What 4 steps are you talking about, bro? $100K in blues, I'll be spinning this shit. Oh yeah, news just came out, huh? Alright, I think I'm about to go long. Alright, I'm long 10 contracts. I'm risking 500 on this trade, so like right under this order block. And then I'm targeting these highs over here. So if we draw down here, grab down here, where are we gonna grab? To the other side. So I'm in a long. If I'm selling up here, so if I'm buying 10, I gotta sell 10 up here. Alright, let's ride it, boys. Let's see what we get, boys. That is the trade. I honestly can see this going higher, y'all. Let's see how much we can get. So this is my full target. So we were approaching my full target. I'm gonna also go to break even right now. So we officially can't lose on this trade. So when price starts hitting my target, that's when I'll start trailing my stop loss pretty aggressively. And see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of this trade. Got it? Let's see, bud. Stop loss is at break even. So if it were to come all the way back down, I'm out a couple dollars in profit. So the way that they're playing around at these highs type shit, I feel like they're gonna come back to this order block right here, not go lower, reject right here, boner candle up, and we should go through this high pretty fast. That's kind of why I want to stretch my target out a little bit. So instead of this high, I pulled it up to this swing high. So let's see if we can go higher, like a crazy boner candle, a little higher than our initial target. Let's see if we can make a little bit more. So we need to hold this order block right now to make that happen. If it pops down past his order block, I'm fine. Price could possibly be reversing off of barely touching this high, because that'll be a failed order block. So if price is going to continue up, it is going to respect this order block and make a new high. Got it? So now I expect price to honestly blow through this fast. There's really nothing like a wall of orders stopping it right there. So I think we're gonna blow straight through it. So that's kind of the logic. Got it? So let's see what we get, class. The fact that we rejected this order block is beautiful. Now this candle closes. I'm expecting a down wick, straight boner. This probably exact candle. This 1 minute candle. Within 40 seconds. Let's see. Let's see what we get, class. Straight bony. All right, boom. New 1 minute candle. Just open. This candle closed down. Maybe the next candle, boner up. Boner up. We need a boner up. Bro, I'm out of Listerine. I gotta go get one from downstairs, bro. That's trash. Okay, pushed up. We made a new high. Let's see if we could take out these highs. No, this is not mango. This is just a continuation trade. Mango is reversal. The mango for this long right now will be right here. Liquidity grab, order block at the top, failed order block, buy stop here, stop loss right under your swing low, and then you hold that shit targeting the highs. How do I mark enter like you do with the boxes? You get a long position or a short position. You can find them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th category, click it. Well, click this little arrow and you can see all the things. I have them added to my favorites bar so they show up over here. Capiche? Is that what you was asking? There we go, boys. There we go. There we go. There's the speed. Guess what? I'm out full. 860. I'll take that. I'll take that.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
That's how you do it, boys. Oh my God.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Oh.
She didn't have to cut me off. We were nothing. Your love
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Alright, that's lit, that's lit, that's lit, that's lit. Alright, so 2 trades so far. First trade, negative 250. Second trade, like plus 850, right? Let's just say 850. I'm net right now $600. Couple dollars under $600. So I'm net right now $600. That's how you do it. That's how y'all do it. You lose small and you win big. But do y'all get the concept? Whenever price is hovering at a high, bro, they're building up shit, and then guess what? What did I say they were gonna do? They're gonna respect this order block right here. See that? So you gotta know what mode the market is in. That's what's gonna determine what type of setups you look for. Got it? So earlier I was in mode of liquidity grab, pull back, push down lower, right? Because we was on the 1 minute time frame trying to blow through this 5 minute, right? Did that happen? No. We were up a 1-to-1 R. And then price came back to entry. Actually, my break-even level, one of my break-even levels was right here, and the next break-even level was right here. So I was looking at this one to go break-even. It didn't even hit that. So it didn't even hit my break-even criteria, so I never really could go to break-even. So therefore, I lost 250 on this trade. That's why you keep the risk small. Keep the risk consistent as well. If I'm doing 3 contracts on the first trade, why am I doing 1 contract on the second trade? Right? Because you're scared. You're trying to trade with fear. Don't trade with fear. You should be low risk, consistent lot sizing. Got it? Consistent contract sizing. Got it? I did 10 the first time, risking 1 R, which was 250. This trade, I risked 250. No, I risked 500, which was 2 R technically on my day. Right? And then we popped it up. I got out, I don't know, around here maybe. I got out around here. So that's a 1-to-2. Right, so it wasn't a 1-to-2 because I risked 500. So it was like down here. So it's like a 1-to-1.8, 1.8, something like that. Got it? Because I got out at like 860. Got it? So a little shit like that. Everybody right now, WP&L in the Discord. You lost the first trade, then you won your second trade bigger than your first one. I want you to put your net WP&L right now in the Discord. At the very bottom, click live trading profits. That's all I ask for y'all to do. Right? So earlier, in hindsight now, this is kind of why I really love the IFEG setups, bro. Whenever they really inverse a gap, bro, they're almost not going back to it. You get what I'm saying? Like, they're almost, like, the way it works. Like, let's say if I was looking for longs all the way down here, right? They're actually... I don't know why it's not showing it, but it's actually a gap right here. Very first gap. There's always going to be a gap at the very bottom or very top of shit, right? So you got to know what area you're at. Boom. So we're at this 5 minute. So if I was looking for longs, we would have took a 5 minute, a 1 minute inverse gap. So right here, boom. You really want to be at the bottom of these moves or for a long, and at the top of these moves for a short, so you can ride that shit all the way down. So picture we was long here instead of, or we could have mangoed our exit. Our exit on this trade could have been a mango, and then we pop it all the way up and been a crazy R to R trade. So it's like you want to make decisions when price are at these lows or when price are at these highs to start looking for inverses to go down lower. Got it? So like, look, if you look on this 5 minute chart last night, what time was it? So 4 in the morning, you see this high, it came above this high, no buy volatility or volume above this high. Guess what? Price shot the fuck down. What do you have here? A gap, a 5 minute gap, right? The first time this candle closed outside of this gap was around, looked like very tightly, but right here. This candle closed here. So you enter it, swing high, stop loss, or you do a swing high right here, whatever R to R fits your plan, and then you target the lows. And it goes straight to the lows, bro. It's kind of crazy, right? So my full target on this trade, so boom, yeah, if I would have held it, we would have hit that second full target. But let me tell you why I closed that trade as fast as I did without letting it run. Because my first trade was a loss. Now, if that was our first trade, we took a W. Second trade, I would have held that trade longer, right? But if I'm losing, if I have a losing trade, meaning I'm negative 250 on the day, and then I'm floating 500, why wouldn't I just close and make that a 1 R plus on the day? It'll take my 250 back, and it'll get my 250 on top, right? But I knew it was going to be able to expand higher at these highs, so that's why I moved my target. So now I was able to get that extra R on my trade to make it worth more, or I only would have been up another 250 versus damn near 600 on that trade. Got it? Should we short now? Not necessarily, bro. Nothing just screams short yet, right? First things first, bro. First things first, bro. You gotta, so remember when I was saying, when I first cast this trade, I was saying there's two different modes of the market, right? There's a trend direction model, you know, trend direction mode where it just goes one way. That's where it's respecting order blocks and going up. Respecting order blocks and going up. Then there's range bound, kill, seek, and destroy. I call that shit kill, seek, and destroy because it makes highs, then swing lows, right? Then swing highs, then swing lows, then swing highs, then swing lows, right? All in like a range, right? So you see how this right here is seek and destroy. This whole area is seek and destroy. This straight down all the way, right? So when you're going straight down and then we inverse this, we go right back up. And then when we come back up, we can find an inverse right here, boom, to go down. Boom, to this order block. Now we're back up. So then we find an inverse, boom, to go back up. Take out these highs. Boom, we're back at the, see, seek and destroy is going to be way more opportunities as far as IFVGs and mangoes because it's nothing but reversals up and down, right? Now, when you're on trend continuation, just going fucking one direction, that's where you kind of use the IFVGs as break and retest, right? You can see the beautiful break and retest right here. That's where I got in. So I seen it, the 1 minute order block. Like if you get rid of these IFVGs, bro, this is still classic order block trading. Because it's just going one direction. That's it. Real simple, right? This right here was a BAP. So it didn't get all the way down to the order block, but it bapped, it break and retest. All these things happen in one direction trend moves. Got it? So you got to determine, is this shit going to keep going one direction or is it going to start playing with me going up and down based on what's going on? Got it? So this move is whole powered by this 5 minute order block. That's it. 5 minute order block. Now you look for reasons to go higher or go through it. And then determine if we're going to continue going in one direction. That's when you start looking for order blocks, or you start looking for the IFVG break and pullbacks, right? So we broke this we broke this IFVG right here, candle closed above it. So you would enter just blindly and then target something. And you want to have your stop loss right under the IFVG or under that candle, a couple candles. Or you can do it like a break and retest. Let price pop up. It's going to always pull back. It has to pull back. So eventually it's going to pull back to these IFVGs. And then price popped up. Here's another IFVG. So what happened when we was in profit? A candle closed above. This is somebody's entry. This is somebody's entry. Entry, stop loss right under, and target the highs 1, target the highs 2. You get what I'm saying? So it's almost like, oh, I'm late to the move. You can almost never be late to the move if there's FVGs on the way up. IFVGs on the way up. Got it? Because they're going to keep making these IFVGs because they're on price. You get what I'm saying? They're all over here on this gap. So just little shit like that, man, you know. Little shit like that. So if we stop right now, y'all understand we're like 3-0, 4-0 right now. Bro, what is happening? I just caught 400 plus on NQ. That's lit, brother. I don't know. I don't know. So y'all, if we start right now, bro, we just ended the year off amazing. And we're going to push this momentum into next year. Like, bro, I'm at a point right now in my trading, bro, where it's like, you know, it's really your mind, your head. When you, like, take yourself out of the result. Detach yourself from the result. And the only way to really do that, do you have any videos that we can watch on that? Or how do we get that indicator? I'm brand new. I lost 1,100. How the hell did you lose 1,100? Did you sell it? All right, do you have any video? So the indicator, bro, here you go. You sold it earlier. God dang, boy. All right, so here's the indicator, bro. You go to indicators and you search FVG. This is going to pop up. FVG Nephew Sam. Got it? And then these are my settings. I'm going to show you more real quick. So be ready to pull your shit out and take pictures. I already did this shit in my other 2 YouTubes. From yesterday and the day before. Got it? You ready? Take a picture. Hurry up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Price is up, brother. Alright, next one. Labels and settings. I have this shit on. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, bet. We go down a little bit. Right? So these are my now box settings from box and below. You see how prices are still running? That's how we can just start holding these trades higher, start trailing stop losses, shit like that. Got it? All right, boom. So here's my actual settings for the IFVG box color, right? For my bullish, I have this one. Get ready to take a picture. All right, boom. I have my lime green, and I have it opacity at 6%. Got it? 1, 2, 3. Right here, IFVG box color, bullish, no bearish. Right here, boom. I have it red. I have it on 3%. Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Boom. These are settings at the bottom. And then the last thing is the IFVG border colors. Bullish. I have it on ready. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got it on green. And then I got it on 100% opacity. Boom. Bearish. Ready? Red. I have it on red. And I have it on 100% opacity. Got it? Got it? Cool. This replay will also be on YouTube today. I'll be posting that shit pretty soon. So yeah, man, I think we should wrap it up, bro. Beautiful trade, beautiful sessions. First trade was even in profit. We just didn't close it, of course. But beautiful trade, beautiful session. So listen, if you don't know what the Mango model is yet, if you don't know fully about the IFVGs yet, then I recommend you go to my YouTube. It's in the Discord. It's in my Telegram. It's on my Facebook. It's on my Instagram, on the Mango model, on the highlighter, on the story highlights. Search me on YouTube, Bruce Webb. It's only one. Well, it's a bunch of people, but you know, I'm the black one. So go up there, see the video I posted Monday, the Mango model explained, and then watch the video from yesterday. It's super sauce in them shits. Watch them shits like you fucking watch that bullshit on TV. Change your fucking life. Stop watching that bullshit TV if you know you're not doing what you need to handle business in your life. And you know exactly who I'm talking to. Y'all watch that TV bullshit for hours, but you won't watch a podcast for 2 hours that can literally flip something in your head to make you profitable. You get what I'm saying? Little shit like that. You need to soak up all these bits and pieces, bro, if you want to be fucking somewhere in this shit. Got it? So picture if I would have waited for my pullback right here. I would have been sick because I never got it. And then, remember when I was like, the IFVG trade is right here on the 5-minute. If we would have just entered that, right? And just had a set risk. Let's just say right under this bat, right? That's a 1-to-1. Little over 1-to-1. Target right here, 1 to 1.7. And it went as high as 2.4. So it's always like, kind of don't be scared. Of course I was scared. But it's just, you know, be smart. Because we know price can just pull back, right? So, you know, these IFVGs, you know, now you pair it with a lower time frame continuation. Now you have a high win rate, you know, high win rate probability and, you know, chances of cashing out that trade. So it's just like, bro, there's so many ways to skin a cat, you know. So many ways to skin a cat. You dig, squid. So listen, y'all, guess what? Happy fucking New Year, bro. I'm not going to see you till tomorrow, New Year's. What, did we trade tomorrow? No, New Year's is closed. So I'm not going to see y'all tomorrow. I think we're back Friday. Yeah, if the market is open, we're trading on Friday. Yeah, so shit's closed tomorrow. We'll be back January 2nd, Friday. This Friday, January 2nd. So we're right now on a 3 or 4 day win streak right now. So look, Jonathan, when you ask me when should you start selling, boom, here it is. You're having a 5-minute IFVG, right? 5-minute IFVG, so you can almost blindly in 2 minutes, when this candle closes up under this gap, you can sell it, go stop loss above. Now, of course, if you lose, then okay, you're kind of going counter trend, right? You don't know if it's going to continue higher, so that means in this gap, probably won't go far. It might hit a level, then go up, but I don't know. It might grab highs, and go all the way down, right? So that's for you to determine on your trading journey, right? But I would look for something like, so a 5-minute inversion closes. You can put like little lots there, like small risks. And then when you have a 1-minute inversion in that same direction, that's kind of when you can, boom, candle closes right here. Now I can add 2 or 3, 4, whatever more contracts and scale into my full position. Then we hold it down. Or you can be balls to the wall, have the best R to R, and put your full position here if you really think price is going to go lower from here. That's it. Got it? Like when this gap inverted, you would think, oh, what if it does all this and does all this? Well, no emotions, follow the process. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to put my stop loss above, and I'm going to put my target here. Whatever happens, happens. So on this type trade, you sell it, you put your stop loss here, you put your target at 1 to 2, and you let the trade do its thing. Like it's nothing to it, bro. It's trading, right? Or I would wait for trend direction, right? So if that gap don't even close, guess what? And we have a continuation IFVG right here. This might be the play you should be looking for long to go up higher to the next swing high, right? Or you can go smaller right here. Boom, swing high. This is the order block that I traded last night. I was trading this last night. Price popped down. So you see this IFVG, price closed. So you kind of wait for a pullback because that shit's very far away. But even if you didn't, you just got in. You enter, have your R to R. Boom, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles in profit down to the order block. Target that. Let's say, boom, price popped up, gave a BAP area. I saw this trade. Price came down. I shorted this on the lower time frame last night. Price came back up to the 5-minute chart. I shorted it again. Stop loss right above, right? So you got to understand, like FVG, IFVGs kind of get you in at the top. Order blocks are more so for continuation, right? Order blocks are more so continuation, right? You can use IFVGs as continuation too. So if you don't get in this 5-minute order block, guess what? This first candle that closed under this 5-minute gap, entry, stop loss right above or swing high, and then you hold that guy to the low, target the next low, or that's when shit just bleeds. Right? So when you're at price when it's breaking down, right? When price is starting to break down, you can just kind of stop loss and kind of let it run, depending on your target goals and depending on your account status. Got it? So everybody, listen. Zena actually just said she passed another a funded account. She passed another combine. So do y'all know what that means? So y'all see this 5-minute gap? See the 5-minute gap close under? Boom. You sold that bitch. Boom. You would be in good money profit right now. Now, before I even marked it, right? I marked this candle. I marked this gap off. I'm going to delete it because the indicator is starting to pop it up now. But it's only going to show you after it gets there, and then it's going to show you it after it closes. And that should probably speed down. Or if you're looking for a continuation, then probably the best entry would be up here. Then this might lead to your IFVG. That's when it goes down with speed and you target this swing low right here. It's just kind of simple shit, man. Liquidity drives the market, bro. Money moves the market. Got it? Price goes from money to money. Swing highs to swing lows. Or pulls back into internal liquidity and then goes back out to external liquidity. $215 on my funded account. Took the IFVG to the swing low. Come on. Simple. Simple. Good shit, Zena. Good shit. So that's it. Base hits. $200, $400, $600 on your pro. Chip it away. Chisel it away. Don't try to make 2,000 in one fucking trade. So I was saying, Zena just passed another combine. Shout out to Zena. Congrats. Right, but I'm saying this to say, I can hear her process. She's stacking up these combines, slowly passing them every day, only by making $600 to $700 to $800 a day. You're done in 5 days. Now you're pro. You have the same mindset. $400 to $600 a day. You'll be done with your buffer in 4 days with $400 in profit to withdraw. You do that another 2 days, $600. That's $1,200 that you can actually withdraw and pay yourself just by chilling and making $600 with low risk. Y'all know I used to throw 20, 30, 40 lots, and I used to lose big, $1,000, $2,000 losses, right? That's cool and all, but if you can't come back from those losses, those are going to be losing days. So ever since I kind of went down on my risk, I'm able to keep my mind intact, bro, because if I'm down 1,000, I'm finna do whatever it takes to get that 1,000 back, which that means double my risk probably, then probably take a dumbass trade. Now I'm finna lose. You get what I'm saying? So the secret to this shit, bro, longevity is risk management, bro. Control your risk, bro. 5 contracts is amazing for a 50K account. I swear to you, bro. If you take a 5 contract trades, let's give a real example. I don't like to just say fake random shit. So let's say if a person bought this 5-minute FVG, how much we need to make 600? Well, there's 500 right there. Got it? How much was we risking? 300, right? We risked 300 on this trade and we popped over and made 580. Shit, 560. And guess what? If Bruce says I need to make 6, look at this rejection off the 1 minute. So Bruce says, oh, 600 a day to pass my combine. But my target is at 555. So I need to make another $50. No, you don't. Be done for the day. Because guess what? You hear what you're saying? I need to make another 50. That need bullshit is going to blow your fucking account. That 5 that you have is about to be negative 400 because you want to make 50 more. Just chill. That's an amazing trade, amazing day, and be done, right? Or you do what I did. Okay, if I see the highs at 530, I'm going to try to get my full 6. And then when price gets there, guess what? Now I'm trailing. Boom, I'm out. Let's go. 650. Shit like that. Got it? I'm showing y'all the process. How to be a profitable trader each day, every day. Even when I'm losing and doing dumb shit, I'm showing you that you're not supposed to do dumb shit. And then I'm literally wiping away my dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting better in front of y'all eyes. You get what I'm saying? Because guess what? I have to. I can't get on here and be ass every day. Because guess what? Nobody's going to pay. Nobody's going to refer nobody. And everybody's going to cancel. And it's going to be me and this bitch with lifetime members. And I'm not getting paid. You get what I'm saying? So, I have to get better, right? So, I do this shit for y'all, bro. Just know that. Alright, so guess what, y'all? Happy fucking New Year. Happy fucking New Year. Let's wrap this shit up. Hey, how do you do the react shit? Here we go, react. Let's react real quick. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy fucking New Year. Fuck all that shit. Fuck that. Whatever you about to go spend and go out for New Year's Eve or whatever, go buy a fucking funded account. $100. Just please, cut your budget for New Year's Eve in half. Go spend $100 on a 50K account. Come and trade it with me. Make $600 max and stop every single day. We go on a 5-day streak starting next week. Not starting, but you get what I'm saying. A full 5 days will be next week. You buy that account today. You trade with me on Friday. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Make sure you use code BW so you can get your account passed. They're giving guaranteed passes if you use code BW. I'm just kidding. But Support the stream. Use the code BW if you're taking my trades, right? Just rock in with me. Lock in. Use the code BW, 40% off, no activation fee. Unlimited daily payouts. Bro, picture making $600 a day now, straight to your bank, just by chilling with 5 pussy ass micros. Stop following them Instagram fucks that's throwing 20 fucking mini contracts, not micros, 20 minis, making 7,000 and 6 ticks. Making you think that, oh, 5 micros is pussy. Oh, my mentor laughs at anybody who trade micros. And that's why you're fucking keep blowing accounts, because you chasing somebody who got way more money than you. Slow the fuck down. Stop blowing these accounts, bro. Stop blowing these accounts. The number one way to stop blowing these accounts is reduce your risk, bro. Reduce your risk so when you do lose, you don't fucking tilt and do dumb shit after that loss. And when you do win, it's nothing. It's part of the process. Like, bro, we just cashed out a beautiful trade. I didn't get up screaming. I didn't get up freaking out, right? It's just part of the process. That's it. It's part of the process. You lose, boom, part of the process. You win, boom, part of the process. Focus on winning more than you lose. And you get numb to it. I'm telling you. Every single account I've blown was from getting tilted. Yes, and I promise you, you was going big on your lot size probably. Just going too big, bigger than what you need. All you need is like $100, $200 risk on these trades. Flip it as a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Now you're making 4, 5, 600 off of $100, $200 risk. If you risk $200 a trade, y'all, you have 10 opportunities to blow your account. Do you understand that? All right. You have 10 opportunities to make profit before you blow your account. There's no reason you're out here taking 10 trades, risking $200 each. Calculated. That could be 6 contracts, and that could be 4 contracts. Bro said 4. That could be 4 contracts, right? Based on the size of the order block or based on the size of the stop loss, right? So that's why I like TradingView, because you can see your limits. You can see the stop. You can see how much you're going to make before you even get in the trade. To know that, hold on, this R to R doesn't make sense, or I'm not cool with it. I'm not willing to risk 500 to only make 6. Right? But now we go down risk 250, bring our take profit up higher to a more reputable draw and liquidity. Guess what? I'm making more and risking less because I'm letting my trade run. Come on, man. So, all right, let's get out of here, bro. Happy New Year. See y'all Friday. Don't ask me, oh, Bruce, are we trading Friday? That means your pussy ass didn't stay to the end of the session. Nah, it's cool. I'm sorry. No vulgar language. All right, but let's get out of here. Beautiful session. Beautiful day. Only an hour of work. It's 9:15. We got on here at 8. We was done probably 30 minutes ago. Shit like that, bro. Real quick, really efficient. Doing this shit the right way. We're trading the Mango, and we're trading the IFVG continuation. Let's fucking go. Go get you an account. TakeProfitTrader.com. Use code BW. And let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. All right, man. I'm out of here. When do you start Asia? I don't know. Brother. C. Jackson, I don't know. But I posted the Telegram in the Discord in the VIP chat. Scroll up a little bit. I probably posted in the live trading profits too. Probably got to scroll up a little bit. Or just message me. I can send you the Telegram. But when I do start Asia, the first people that's going to know is going to be in that Telegram. Got it? So when I drop the link and the details on when I'm going to start trading, what days, what hours, what times, how many days out of the week, what's the price going to be, all that shit. Everything will be notified in that Telegram. It's in Discord. Go to the live trading profits, scroll up a little bit, or the VIP chat. Probably scroll up a little bit, or message me directly and I'll send it to you. It's on my Facebook. It's on my Instagram story right now. No, not Instagram. It's more so on my Facebook. Got it? So, yeah. Asia session is a hot topic. Everybody want Asia. So just be ready to fucking pay. That's it. It won't be higher than this, though. Here's a little secret. If you pay $150 a month for New York, it won't be higher than $150. It'll be something affordable, so somebody can either add it to their New York or cut out the New York, whatever you choose. It's on you. Got it. But alright, man, another beautiful trade, another beautiful day, bro. Included for lifetime. No. No. Probably won't be included. Nice try though. But I'll probably give a lifetime option for that too. Yeah, it'll definitely be separate. So yeah, all my lifetimers, it's time to get them wallets out. If I have to commit to trading on Asia with y'all, yes, you have to commit to pay me. Yes, whether it's monthly, yes, bro, or another one-time fee, bro. So, yes, bro. Yes. You can't pay for season tickets for the Falcons and then expect to get season tickets for the Hawks included. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Lifetime is for life, homie. Yeah, for New York, this 8 a.m., that's it. So, yeah, Lifetimers, listen. Lifetimers is not getting free access to Asia. Zena started something. Lifetime for y'all is $750. For the outsiders, it's $1,000. One time, never pay again. So yeah, you pay me $750. Well, I don't know the lifetime number for Asia yet. I'm just talking about New York because Asia isn't real yet. I haven't launched Asia yet. Got it? But it'll be affordable. Come in, make your money, get a payout, go to lifetime, or just stay per month. Even if I do like 100 per month, bro, you're paying $25 a week, bro. Come on. $25 a week. $25 a week, bro, that's nothing. Got it? Got it, guys. So let's open up our brain. Open up our mind. All right, man, I gotta go, bro. I done concluded this webinar multiple times already. So this is the real one. All right, Friday, we're back 8 a.m. Eastern, same time. Let's go. Everybody go put your WP&L in the Discord. Let's go. Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. I'll see y'all.